Hello, and welcome back to CoinLady channel. Many cross appeals would be filed if the SEC allowed for an interim appeal. Also, the adjusted volume of XRP on-chain transactions recently climbed by 112.5%, reaching a 7-month high, yet to everyone's surprise, the price has remained negative. Ripple has submitted a response opposing the U.S. regulator's interim appeal motion and rebutted the regulator's claim that XRP lacks inherent value. Stay with me till the end. Check out this brand new video for more information. Quickly, if at all possible, if this sounds like something that would pique your interest, you should know that Ripple has submitted a counter motion to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's request for permission to pursue an interim appeal of the XRP judgment announced in July. Ripple's top lawyer, Stuart Alterity, admitted the problem. In a recent tweet, Alterity urged the crypto community to review the opposing filing. Ripple had just responded to the SEC's request for an interlocutory appeal, as mentioned in the tweet. The footnotes, in particular, are interesting. The new wave of progress has lifted the spirits of its backers. Concern has been voiced by some observers at the seemingly endless duration of legal battles. Bill Morgan, a well-known advocate for XRP, believes the case has a long way to go. In addition, he discovered key details in the court file regarding Ripple's opposition. Ripple has told the court that it plans to file a cross-appeal on the same grounds if the SEC's request is granted. In support of this SEC's position, the payment processing business has stated that it will file an appeal with the appellate court. According to the statement, the defendants intend to cross-appeal the portion of the court's verdict that found the defendants' transactions to institutions constituted sales of securities if the SEC is allowed to appeal. This seems to indicate that Ripple will submit a move to contest the classification of its XRP sales to institutional investors as securities. After the SEC filed its action against Ripple Labs, Attorney Morgan stressed that point further. Ripple further declared its resolve to oppose any SEC effort to categorize sales of XRP to OBL customers. To further address the issues with the legal definition of the term investment contract, Ripple has stated it will file a cross-appeal. All decisions made by the court are final and cannot be appealed by the parties until the matter has come to a conclusion. This is what the United States was founded on. Authorities are requesting the court's approval to file an appeal against the Ripple win judgment. Ripple's CTO tweeted his thoughts on the matter further last month. As a result, the SEC's interlocutory motion should be granted. In an effort to overturn the court's decision in part, Ripple plans to file a cross-appeal. Feelings go beyond that though. One of the most trusted sources of market data just tweeted that XRP had gained in value. It has been noted that the beginning of September coincides with the large growth in XRP's utility. The intelligence firm declared on September 1st that they have reached a major goal and completed XRP transactions on the blockchain. A record-breaking 4.8 billion XRP were transacted on September 1st, according to sentiment analysis. In a single day, a staggering number of 4.8 billion XRP tokens were transferred throughout the network. Additional context for the volume surge is provided by the tweets that follow the XRP market chart. According to public opinion, the value of XRP on September 1st was the highest it had been since February 1st. In other words, XRP's on-chain volume at the start of September is at a 7-month high. On September 1st, a record number of XRP were transferred due to high levels of sentiment, with over 2 billion XRP changing hands. This was especially true of the most rare XRP tokens. The data analytics firm saw this as the greatest point in the numbers over the preceding 3 months. In addition, the number of XRP improvement projects has increased dramatically, as observed by the survey results. The analytical firm saw a 5.3% rise in XRP development activity compared to the previous 30 days. Adjusted XRP volume has increased by 112.5% in the last 4 days, according to statistics from renowned analytics firm Necessary. The total volume of XRP, after adjustments, was $748 million. The price jumped by 30% in 3 days, reaching $1.6 billion as of the 30th of August. The adjusted volume metric is used as a standard because it accurately reflects true trade volume by excluding the effects of noise and possible manipulation. Despite these positive developments and several on-chain signs, the price of digital assets has plummeted below the psychological 50 cents barrier. After a significant drop of 4.67% over the previous week, XRP is trading at 49 cents, which is below its weekly low in innocence. Whether XRP has any real worth is the burning question of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive notifications, that you may be among the first to know if significant XRP-related news occurs. Ripple's top lawyer, Stuart Alterity, is in charge of legal affairs. Recently, it was suggested that proponents of XRP investigate the most recent legal move against the US regulator. He made reference to a portion in which Ripple number the securities and the SEC's claim that XRP has no intrinsic value. XRP has provided the XRP community with access to some of the content of the Ripple's response. Bill Morgan, a lawyer. Do you recall how the regulator said that XRP was just some piece of software? Well, it has now filed an appeal of a preliminary injunction. The SEC said that it was not seeking leave to appeal because XRP is a soft code with no intrinsic value. Meanwhile, Ripple said the SEC made numerous mistakes that were impossible to refute. Ripple reaffirmed that XRP is valuable in and of itself, despite the contrary decision made by a court in the United States. The Ripple legal team argued that the court had not issued a ruling on the matter. The financial services provider went on to say that XRP is a bridge virtual asset that facilitates international payments. That XRP is a digital asset and does not meet Howey requirements is emphasized by the team. Notably, in its most recent filing against the SEC, Ripple indicated that it sought to cross-appeal the court's decision that an XRP coin is not an investment contract in and of itself because it does not satisfy how the standards according to the document read in part. In particular, if the SEC's request for an interim appeal is granted, Ripple stated that it would initiate the process of filing cross-appeals. Among the decisions that Ripple intends to appeal is the one regarding institutional sales of XRP. The blockchain fintech company seeks to particularly appeal the decision classifying XRP as an investment contract in this context. In addition, the Ripple team has stated that they will oppose the SEC's efforts to classify post-lawsuit XRP sales to OBL clients. Two game-changing speculations, which are fundamental to the cryptocurrency world, have recently centered on the upcoming September 29th celebration for Ripples in New York City. There have been rumblings that an IPO announcement for Ripples or an end to its legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission could be on the agenda. An initial public offering, IPO, would be significant for Ripple since it would attract new investors and raise the company's value. If the IPO goes well, it might potentially boost the company's standing in more traditional financial markets. To begin with, resolving the ongoing legal issue with the SEC would lift the cloud of uncertainty over the future of Ripple and the value of XRP. As a result, the token's value, XRP, can go up if investors' concerns about it are reduced. Given that either of these outcomes has the potential to radically alter the landscape for Ripple and XRP, September 29th is starting to take shape as a day that might go remembered in crypto history. The fact that these rumors exist at all indicates how high the stakes are and how much is expected from this event, even if they haven't been confirmed. Considering the significance of these possibilities, the NYC Bash might serve as a precursor to future seismic events and significantly affect the wider Bitcoin market. The date is eagerly awaited by everyone from investors and stakeholders to crypto enthusiasts. Whether it's an IPO or a settlement with the SEC, Ripple is ready to make headlines. If the reports are true, Ripple and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole could potentially miss out on a once-in-a-generation chance. So, ladies and gentlemen, the video is over. If you liked the video, please click the like button. See you later, bye.